We took to heart the digital transformation in industrial production. And here we present the Industry 4.0. Despite all the difficulties of the COVID-19 pandemic, we have successfully relocated to our new factory and keep marching towards the future with modern production practices. Blending our over 30 years of experience with a passion for technology and innovation, we're constantly creating new standards at every stage. The list of the industry giants who trust Dönmez quality regarding both OEM and aftermarket supply is growing ever longer. Our work environment that promotes added value is enabling the emergence of pioneer applications. As a result of all of these, millions of people in every corner of the world, even thousands of kilometers away, keep going smoothly. Dönmez Debriyaj, the way forward.